with it being so close to the end of the year,
Hmm.
do you have anything else kind of lined up that you're excited to release before 2025, or are you kind of right now more so just gonna play it out
When is
smooth
this
and
getting
then
released? When is this coming out?
oh, it'll be within a couple weeks.
Oh, okay. So I can say, yeah. So we have a collab with the Browns that we're
Hell
dropping
yeah.
November 21st, which is pretty dope because it's a rivalry game against the Steelers.
Eh,
And yeah, we've been working on this collab for a while. Uh, and it's been a lot of back and forth between the NFL and the Browns to meet certain marks because they have, restrictions and
of
got and design guidelines that you have to sort of business part of it comes into
Yeah.
play. And we had to give and take, but it's going to be dope, and I'm proud about it. I'm a Browns fan. I'm Cleveland to the core, and the collection represents a lot of different ideologies and different things that a lot of Cleveland people, Ohio people, Midwestern people, or just fans of things that we bring to the table are going to appreciate. So I'm happy about that. Um, got a collab with Moose Knuckles that is probably coming out.
Oh, word.
Yeah, coming out after um, 25, but it's getting worked on
Yeah,
now.
it's getting cooked
And
up.
there's just some cool inline stuff that we're doing, and just things that are going to be evolving with the business. Some of the maybe not so fun stuff,
Yeah.
but things that you have to do to actually be able to grow and scale a business that we've been working on that we're going to release in regards to our website, different functionalities, user customer experiences to make it more fluid, you know,
That's more user friendly interface.
all of that. Yeah, so I'm excited about that stuff as well as a few capsules that we've been working on and things that we have coming. So yeah,
So obviously, Clutch under New Balance, Rich
partnership.
partnership.
Yeah,
Okay.
Clutch. So there's
Yeah.
Clutch. There's Clutch
Can you
Sports
explain
Group,
that? Yeah.
which is um, you know a behemoth in the sports representation business, which
Number
is
one.
also owned and started by Rich Paul, my brother, best friend. As of recently, he started a partnership with New Balance called Clutch Athletics, which is a performance training apparel and shoe brand that
Yeah.
falls
A lot of
inside.
people don't know New Balance apparel is fire.
We gonna let them know.
Yeah, my first New
Yeah,
Balance shit I probably got in like
it's
maybe
a dope brand.
2015, 2016, and I picked it
Yeah,
up off the shelf. I'm
and
like, they make clothes, and I
yeah,
was
and to
very
go back to
surprised.
New Balance, I'm inspired by New Balance. Like I know some New Balances right now. Shout out to Joe Fresh Good
Yeah,
with
Joe's killing
the
it.
belly joints. Yeah, I'm so happy and happy and proud of him. He's a peer, friend, contemporary, and to see his growth and to know like his some of his struggles and just different obstacles that he's had to get through to get to where he's at. And still some of the things, everybody has things they got to go through. I don't care if you're Ronnie Faye or the kid trying to, you know, get a couple sales off of
Hmm.
Instagram. It's always going to be things you got to go through.
Yep.
So I just
And
like
Joe
to I
Joe
like to
got a
see.
small little in-house team too, and they be
Hmm.
killing it.
Yeah, I like to see people overcome and grow. But yeah, New Balance, Clutch Athletics is a lot of dope stuff. Also working on Rich's own stuff, which is separate from New Balance.
Okay.
He has his own signature shoe. So
Oh,
we're working on
fire.
the third edition of those, which I'm actually a part of the design process of the shoe and the apparel this trip. So I'm super excited about that. Can't wait for that to get out here. Um, yeah,
So it's not a reach that we may be seeing some type of Layer New Balance intersection at some point.
that would be great.
Hell
That would be
yeah.
lovely. But first things first,
Whether it be
man.
a promo or a one-off, like some little Rockefeller Air
You
Forces from
never
back in
know.
the day.
Yeah,
You
you
know what I
never know.
mean? Hey,
Yeah, you
whip these
never
up real
know.
quick,
And there's
cause
some other cool.
that's
Yeah,
the illest part about New Balance though. They're based out of here, so they could just whip something up right then and there, damn near.
you would think.
Well,
They're also a billion-dollar company
oh
with a
yeah, a
lot of
million
checks and
percent.
balances and things of that. So
But when they
the
had like their ID program, it was all
oh
getting
yeah
shipped
yeah
from
yeah yeah yeah
Boston.
yeah yeah. They they're dope. and they care.
Yeah, they're really for the consumer.
Yeah, and shout out to Chris Davis, who's the CEO. His father started the company, who's very integral in the everyday business and development of the brand, and he really cares of about the product that they put out, how they're perceived, who they work with, how they work with people, the community. All of that stuff matters, man. Especially when you're big like that, to actually still care
Yeah, hell
about
yeah.
the things that got you there, and that the things that are going to and care about that enough to the point to know that those are the things that are going to get you to where you need to go as well. You
Fuck
know, you don't
yeah.
give up on that. So yeah, shout out to New
Yeah,
Balance
they're
for
really
sure.
involved in Boston and with the community and
Hmm.
everything.
Yeah.
I don't know if they still do, but they used to do a yearly New Balance with concepts for the Boston Marathon, super
Yeah, all of that.
exclusive.
Yeah.
Like,
And they have some more things coming up that they're doing to for the athletic community with a lot of the up and coming prospects.
I think I
Um,
just seen one of their newer models for basketball, and it looked pretty good.
I forgot. It's the Hezi.
I think so.
Yeah. I think that's the shoe that Darius Garland, who's um, a New Balance athlete
Oh
as
yeah,
well
I did
as
see that.
a Clutch Sports agent, little bro, Cavs All Star, a
Yeah,
homie.
shout outs,
He's a New
man.
Balance guy, but yeah,
Cavs are
he
looking good right now in preseason.